So how to censor blur of face? Hey guys, if you're new here, my name is Rakesh and I'm a film student, and here on this channel I'm sharing whatever I'm creating and learning. So if you are into filmmaking, consider subscribing. So let's get into the tutorial. So over here I'm selecting this clip from my another video. So let's say I want to censor out my face. So let's go to effects panel by hitting Shift 7 and then type mosaic. Under stylize you will find this effect mosaic and drag and drop on this clip. Then if you can't see effects control, you can go to Windows and then effect control, and you will over here see the mosaic effect. So right now we can't see whatever happening, so we turn off the mosaic effect. You can you have to draw the mask, so you can choose pen tool and draw the mask, but I don't find it easier, so let's delete this, and it's better to use ellipse. Actually it's little bit easier. So adjust the mask, and now you can turn on the effects and see, but it's too blurry. So what we're going to do is increase the horizontal blocks and vertical blocks too, and something like this we have been used to watch. So recently Adobe add tracking feature in Premiere Pro, and because of that doing this effect has become so much easier. You simply have to track. So over here now what we are going to do is hit the track select forward, and it's going to track whatever the object is within your mask throughout the whole clip if it stay in the frame. So let's see and hope it's do the right job. But sometime you can stop in between to check if it's doing the right job or not. So let's go back and see if it's did the right job. So till now it's doing the right job. So if we again hit the track select forward, so it has done this. So let's see if it's done the right. So sometime like over here it's missed out a little bit. So what we can do, select track points and delete, select the mask and manually adjust the position of the mask, and that's all. So don't forget to share this tutorial with your video editing friends, and if you like this video, give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more, and see you until my next video. Thanks.